Shenzhen Takko electronic technology company is a national high-tech enterprise specializing in the research and development, production, and sales of smartphone LCD screens. Founded in 1997, Takko now has more than 26 years of rich production and sales experience in the field of mobile phone LCD screens manufacturing. After 10 years of development, Takko has now become one of the major suppliers in the global mobile phone parts market. Takko currently has more than 300 employees. Takko attaches great importance to product innovation and R&D and invests tens of millions of dollars in the research and production of new products every year. Now we arrive at our factory of TKZ.
Welcome to our factory.
This is the high and low temperature test. And this is the aging test. Now we are gonna enter the FOG workshop. Takko covers an area over 5,000 square meters, all of which are dust-free, constant temperature and constant humidity workshop. At present, Takko currently has 6 fully automatic COG production lines, 6 fully automatic laminating production lines, and 6 LCM assembly lines, with a monthly production capacity of 1 million pieces of LCD screens. Fully automatic equipment are effectively ensure product quality and consistency. This is the boss of TKZ, Kitty.
Hello everyone, choose TKZ. Looking forward to cooperation with you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.